Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80080206 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Store not opening or fail to download any apps, then here are the fixes. The first one is go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store troubleshoot and choose find and fix problems with Microsoft Store or Windows Store. Troubleshoot page will now open. Here troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, Microsoft Store apps. Here click on advanced and make the check against option apply repair automatically and click on next and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, it will resolve accordingly. User account control has been turned off. So such type of message you will receive. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to apps, go to system settings and here scroll down and go to troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and here run network and internet troubleshooters. There may be a possibility of any network related issue, so you must run the network and internet related troubleshooters and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. And in run command box, type the command WSReset.exe. Clear Microsoft Store caches and click on OK. This command will clear all your Microsoft Store caches. After that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command. First execute this 3 DISM tool and after that execute SFC scan now command. First DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one followed by enter key on each times in command prompt Windows. And once successfully execution of this 3 DISM tool, execute the command SFC scan now and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. The process will take some time, so wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to Windows settings again, right click on start button and choose settings and here go to time and language settings from the left side and make sure that correct date and time is set to your computer. Choose date and time and turn the toggle button off against set time automatically and click on change set date and time manually. And if you found incorrect date and time set to your computer, kindly correct it. Change date and time settings and finally turn the toggle button on against set time automatically. And check whether your Microsoft Store error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here on the settings page, from the left side of settings, choose app settings. Click on apps, thereafter go to right side and here look for Microsoft Store apps. First go to installed apps and here search, look for Microsoft Store. Type store in search field, and if you don't found here, then scroll down and find out Microsoft Store apps. It may be either installed apps or in default apps or any system components app. Go to system components, also here search for Microsoft Store and you will find under system components. Click on 3 horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and under terminate reset section, if this system component is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. First choose repair Microsoft Store, and if this app is still not working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. So if repair does not work, then reset Microsoft Store apps and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting process of Microsoft Store apps, and after that restart your system. Your Microsoft Store error code definitely be resolved. That's